Assalamu alaikum dear students, here is Miss Aghosh, your English teacher. Welcome back with another video of English. Today we will learn different words having oo, aw and e sound. Let's learn some oo words. Boots, B-O-O-T-S, boots. M-O-O-N, moon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. These three words having oo sound. Now let's learn some e words. Like read, R-E-A-D, read. S-E-A-C, T-E-A-T. These three words having e sound. Now let's learn some o words. Like goat, G-O-A-T, goat. C-O-A-T, coat. B-O-A-T, boat. Now do practice of these words by doing pages 67, 69 and 72. Till that, Allah Hafiz.